How's it going, guys? Welcome back to The Average Garage. Now, I thought I'd do a quick little update as to what's happening with Sleepy 6. Pretty much, it's nowhere near done. The paint's kind of done. It's still in progress in a way. Like it's missing a heap of stuff. There's trims missing. There's bits broken that I need to find new bits for. Yeah, the side strips are missing. The badges are missing. There's heaps that hasn't been done yet, but we were in a real rush to make it to the Joondalup Festival of Motoring. We made it there. We got it done. Zach was finishing it up that morning on about 3 hours sleep, so it was pushed right to the deadline, but it's slowly getting there. We're still got a long way to go, but it is slowly getting there. So I'll show you what the outside of the car looks like now, and yeah, see if you like it. If you don't, too bad. But the color's growing on me. It will probably end up a little bit darker because we're going to re-clear it, but we'll see how we go. Yeah, hopefully by the end of the year, but we'll see. Yeah, stuff like this you can't, it's very hard to stick to certain time schedules because you're working around several people. Yeah, all that sort of stuff. Like, it's just, stuff doesn't happen in a day. So anyways, let's check the car out. Alright, so this is a quick shot in the garage to show you the difference between light and dark, and it's pretty amazing. So there is a colour flip, so when it's dark it's actually more of a purple or a violet colour, and in the sun or direct sun it's a very light blue, and then in a shade it's a very dark blue. So the colour is absolutely amazing. I just wanted to say thank you for watching. We'll see you all in the next episode, and hopefully I can do a proper reveal soon when it's done. Cheers.